Stearates, the salts or esters of stearic acid, find widespread use in diverse industries such as plastics, rubber, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and food processing. Stearate grinding machines are instrumental in achieving finely ground stearate compounds, resulting in improved product characteristics and uniform dispersion. Rathi Engineering Solutions offers state-of-the-art stearate powder grinding systems. The grinding process of stearate powder is an important step that can impact the quality and texture of the final product. By choosing the right grinding method and controlling factors such as particle size and temperature, high-quality stearate powder can be produced to meet a variety of applications. Our specialized, seamless, single-stage cool grinding equipment minimizes the rise in temperature and allows for a high degree of precise particle size control without the need for sieving. Our plants come equipped with the latest technologies ranging in capacity from 150 kg per hour to 1500 kg per hour. Our grinding equipments are designed to perform clean and hygienic processes in line with international standards. The process begins with the feeding of the stearate from any overhead system to the Rathi air classifying mill through a rotary airlock valve. The valve maintains a uniform feed to the air classifying mill. Depending on the specific requirement, the rate of the feed can be increased or decreased using a variable frequency drive. The grinding process for the Rathi air classifying mill is a combination of impact grinding and air classification. Fine grinding occurs in the grinding chamber between specially designed high-speed carbide rotating hammers and a special multi-deflector liner. The ground material is subsequently conveyed through the classifier wheel. The classifier can be operated at different and variable speeds which can be tweaked to control and obtain the degree of fineness of the stearate powder. The classifier rejects coarser particles, allowing only the desired fine particles to pass through the collection system. The rejected particles are simultaneously redirected towards the fine grinding section of the air classifying mill till the desired fineness is achieved. This reduces the chamber retention time and avoids overgrinding of the final product, thereby minimizing the rising temperature of the ground powder. Thus, the particle size distribution and fineness of the stearate powder are maintained. The desired product flows through the classifier into the reverse pulse jet product collector via suction created by a centrifugal fan. The final product can be directly conveyed to its final destination from the bottom of the product collector or collected in drums or bags. The Rathi stearate powder grinding system thus provides an efficient, consistent, and precise solution, making us a trusted processing partner and market leader in the stearate powder grinding industry.